but it seems to be rather absurd. When I know the truth is that I